Someone told me it belongs here. I can't help but hate on this. Yeah, those chairs are really not a good fit. I would have gone with a Danish mid-century. Edit. Thanks. Decor. Taiwan Pizza Hut's Oreo stuffed crust calamari and popcorn chicken pizza. Questionable. What a phrase, but that's definitely a best little party trick. Reminds me of a golden oldie. A guy gets his wife's name tattooed on his dick as a birthday present. It reads, Way, when flaccid but, Wendy, when erect. He goes on vacation to Jamaica to a nudist resort. At the bar, he glances over at the Jamaican bartender and sees, Way, tattooed on his dick. He says, Oh, is your wife named Wendy too? The bartender replies, Nah man. Mine says, Welcome to Jamaica. Have a nice day. It's been like 20 years since I heard that joke and I'm not totally sure it's okay to tell it anymore. Edit. Nor am I sure it was ever okay. Was told to post this here. Not everyone's cup of tea in our shitty car mods. But it's getting noticed for the quality work. Seen in downtown Nashville. This piano posted on Design Porn. Postado su r, Design Porn da u, J3FFR33D0M Reddit. What in the ... Never forget your earplugs. This golf cart a local dealership is trying to sell. Fucking sold. Cessna 172 on a Volkswagen Beetle chassis. The Dragon Cut, done at a Russian pet salon, credit in comments. Cute yet also so wrong. Panzer slippers. Snow globe posted in r, next fucking level. Thrifty. On my Christmas list. $4.99 for a red Dino purse? I'd buy that, and I'm a dude. This Mustang. JEEEEP. New fashion line coming soon. This corner table at an Airbnb. French braid on a Yorkie. Found this in a thrift store. It's a cotton shirt but the design on it is photographs of jeans. $500. Thrift store and $500 don't go together. Whoops, sorry, I meant vintage store. I got the two confused. That's okay. Ugly and $500 don't go together either. Pit stains. Cowboy chair and Ottoman cowboy hat face. This Ferrari I saw in a motor show. This is one of my plastic toy soldier sculptures. Someone called it, and quat, The Pooh Fighters and Quat, in another thread. I'm keeping the name. Mushroom car. This has to be the classiest way to get cancer. Horn of Gondor. Who among you would don this apparel? A door in a block of flats. Yeah, no thanks. Found playful Jesus in a negligee, in a palace in Portugal. Hey, kiss my ass. Evilmilk. Com. An entire functional wall clock purse. The Kinder Surprise shitter. The Peacemaker. Wearable dinner. Ex post R, mildly interesting. These windows made of car windscreens.